folks, I'm going to tell you 5 quick facts about black bull markets. Now, did you know, number 1, they're New Zealand FMA regulated. Number 2, did you know they have a copy trading service where you can either be a signal provider or copy signals? And number 3, did you know they've got over 26,000 tradable assets, including Forex, crypto, stocks, indices, and even more? And number 4, did you know they offer 500 to 1 leverage? And number 5, if you open up an account today and trade 1 lot a month, they're going to give you TradingView Pro for free. Check them out, Black Bull Markets.
Morning, everybody. It's another session on a beautiful Thursday morning, man. I had some delays with my computer here. Just had to restart it and clear some. So had some news this morning, 8:30. Not really high impact, but we did have some spikes back and forth. Really 200 pips, which isn't the craziest on gold, right? But yeah, about 120 on the news, but gold has moved already for the day. Cool, that's better. All right, man. Thank you for tuning in from wherever you are in the world. You know, put some comments there, man. Put some questions there, because really we're just here to answer a few questions and some of your concerns about a market. Bitcoin has been nice, very smooth flow, but I do feel like we might see some bearish trades on Bitcoin. Yep. All right, so what are we looking for, man? Nothing. We're not really looking for anything per se, but I definitely see some opportunity coming. Let's clear up everything. Yeah, so GU was actually one of the cleaner ones for the week. All right, so we had a high in place here. Price reached the high, spiked it, and now it's giving us some momentum looking down. All right, so we have a few lows that could be approached, right? But this is counter trend though, because I am still bullish. Have a lot of orders from here as well. So we'll just see how that goes. The indices. I know a lot of you guys come to the stream just for US30. I'll be honest, man. I haven't been. Only took one setup from here last week, but to me, that was just we had a retracement, right, for the week. We could definitely see some more shorts, man. Definitely. So why do I say that? If you look here, we had a high in place. We have a few lows that are intact still. And also this low was made last week. We'll have to see if they fail to follow through like this. And we get some rejection. Then we can continue going long. But as of right now, I don't see anything worth taking until 10:30. So this is quite easy. Price broke, had a retrace, and just kind of continue down, right? With news, so how much is that? Yeah, 350 points, man. Pretty good. Yeah, so man, put some comments in the chat, man, so we can actually have an interactive live here. Right? Because we're pretty much done. We took some longs on Monday, and price ended up leaving, coming down to this area, right? Because price had a high in place here, which it hasn't reached. Prices are low, right? But we've been getting that bullish flow up. So we're gonna have to see if it breaks, then we'll continue taking it short, but right now we're good. And with BTC USD, man, I'm still not convinced that this is gonna sell off this pair, right? Oh wow, I've had some old drawings on this. Wow. Still not convinced, right? Because look, if you look at the weekly, what's price doing? Price broke up high, got a retracement. Possible. What's up, man? What's up? Got a nice little comment there. Thanks for tuning in, man. But yeah, we're just here to discuss. We're just here to discuss and really learn together, man. That's the key. You learn and then you earn, you know. Anyways, yeah, man. Any pairs that you guys want to look at? Any comments, man? Put it in so we can get started with the stream, proper stream. Personally, though, I want to short gold because I just feel like this is a weak low, right? Could that happen? Possibly, yeah. We swept this high, right? I would like to see gold shorting, but yeah, as you guys see, right? Price faked out to the high, and we got a dump. But I didn't take any setups because to me this is chop, right? We're still inside a box, like, right? This box. I only took longs Monday because it was too clear, too easy, right? Price give us a little. And I just took the continuation. This was the TP. Why? The breaker. So where price breaks structure from, that's where we will take our setup. Yeah, man, gold's looking good, man. Gold's looking good. We should get some more momentum going. Same with US30. Nasdaq. So with Nasdaq, it's a different story though. It's a different story altogether. We have lows here. We have a low here. I'm not too sure why this has been ranging for a hot minute, but we could definitely see some momentum coming in the next hour, right? So, because it failed to follow through, and it didn't break structure fully. I like to see a close, not a wick. But if price breaks, we could see some shorts because I would just correlate it with the other index right here. Yeah, could we see shorts, man? Let me see. Yeah, so I'm gonna actually get Wow. Yeah, I think we're gonna get that sell-off soon. Just from what I'm seeing, man. Ah. Yep. As we speak, it's happening. As we speak, we're having some dumps. All right. Let's see if we can take the setup. Right about now. So yeah, so where would I put my stop, man? One of these highs. You got in late. I just want to see it did the retest already. So on the 5 minute, this would be a safe 160 points, and then all the way down. You can catch a 1:3, 3.3, or if you want to be more brave, you want to put your stop above one of these highs. You can just wait until they reach. Stop above one of these highs, right? A little tighter. Personally, though, yeah, look at that. Ooh wee. Let's take advantage. Of this. So 10 minutes until the candle closes. Let's see if we get some nice momentum. Yeah, GU, man. As we just discussed, it's doing exactly what we want. Right? Because it's just simple, right? If price sets a high, this is the new high, highest price of the week, and it's actually at an institutional level. And price starts breaking lows, what does that tell you? We're bearish, right? Price breaks, retraces, continues, easy. But this would be counter trend on the higher time frame for sure. I'm not gonna say, you know. So yeah. All right, let's just do this right now. Yeah, I think we can dump, man. You had a wick here, and if it dumps, I would not be surprised on this one. But I'm just not convinced, though. I'm definitely not convinced that we're gonna sell off this hard right now. Let me check the comments. No comments. All right. We're just gonna chill then. We're just gonna chill. Gold spot. I just said it, man. I just said it, bro. They're coming back from Friday's lows, bro. Literally. And they could possibly come here too, so. High set, break structure, retrace, break structure, sell. Easy, 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 easy. Euro USD. Eesh. Very nice. It's similar to GU, so yeah. Stay short, man. Stay short. We could possibly see these come at the end of the week, man, because gold definitely set that high. Yeah. It's a good day, man. It's a good day. You're already 300 pips for the day from the highs. Right? So, yeah. Literally, like, if you took news shorts, easy. 275 pips, yeah. All right, wait. Where did my NASDAQ go? I don't know why that happens, but that's weird. Yeah, USD is good, man, for shorts. Gold is good for shorts. I'm not sure how long it's gonna go, but they definitely. It was too obvious, man. Like, you really think they're just gonna continue going off of this trend? Like, I know trend line guys, like, what they do. They'll be like, "Oh, we're bullish," and then they'll put their TP up here, right? And if it doesn't reach, they'll just be angry and blame the the market makers. But it's really simple. It's really simple. We had a crazy bearish structure, and then retracement, and then we had a tiny break. You see that yesterday, the tiny break, but then people got caught selling down here. Then we got the better price up here. See, that's another thing. That's one more thing that I want to mention. Is never have the FOMO, man. When you see price doing something like this, you know that there's always going to be another opportunity. Always, 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 always. There's always going to be another opportunity. It's literally the easiest sell of your life. This was the easiest sell of your life. Right? And look, it's just, it's dumping, man. Literally. You can even go on the 1 minute chart, right? And let's say you wanted to get in on this, right? You got in late, whatever. The stream started here, right? Okay, cool. Price broke, structure retraced, dump. Take your sell. Once you see this, that's a sign we're bearish. What are you gonna do? You're gonna take your easy. That's already a 1 to 7. Or if you want to be more conservative and you want to get in on the retest of the neck. So this right here is the only time I would say, okay, head and shoulders, valid, right? That's a real head and shoulders. So you just gotta get in on the retest. So yeah. Yeah, so dollar, funny name, dollar. So you're you're basically, I'm looking at this chart, right? And I'm saying, look, a lot of traders, they're gonna assume that, okay, prices are just gonna continue. But you can never assume, man, ever. What makes you think? What makes you think that they're just gonna continue to doing the same stuff? Like, they don't have to keep going. They don't have to keep going all the way to the high, right? And once they don't go all the way to the high, that's a sign. That's a sign that they're failing to reach new highs. They're making a lower high. So that's when you say, oh, okay, I get it. High, lower, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, right? So man, that's just my 2 cents on it, bro. If any of you guys know, man, in my group, we take these setups once or like mainly two times a week. You know, two main setups. I always recommend new traders or even like advanced traders. Just take 2 setups a week, man. Literally, like that's gonna pass your challenges. You're gonna get those withdrawals. Your mind is gonna be much more relaxed. You don't have to fucking stress about always coming to the market trying to make money, right? And the trying to make money is like the greed part, right? Where you're just like, oh, I have to make money today. Oh, I have to make money today. And then what happens, right? The market isn't trying to be obvious to you guys, you know? It's not going to be obvious every time, bro. It's on you to be disciplined. Look, less is more, bro. When it comes to manifesting, less is always more, bro. Always, always. Like, bro, look at this. The easiest sell of your life. Look at that. Easiest sell of your life. This. And how could you even take this trade? Look, previous high. They failed to follow through. They just spiked it because there's a bunch of stop losses sitting here. They spiked it, dumped. Easy, easy, easy. Right? So we should see some reaction from this level soon. Just like a little pullback and then continue taking this low. But yeah, if I was to ultimately look at my longer time frame targets, this would be my first TP, second TP. And if you want to be brave, you could target this if you want to be brave. But I'm not completely sure on trying to counter trend this, but we have reached highs. We could see some rejection real soon. Yeah, because we have a break from here, right? If you look at the weekly, right, a lot of orders, inefficient orders, right? So that's that, man. A little bit of a tip for you guys. Like, a lot of you guys were asking me on my DMs, like, yo, how did the Fidelcrest thing go? Like, we've completed the challenge already. I've just been doing these streams because I enjoy trading. And yeah, man, I want people to be part of our sessions, right? Part of our discussions and all these cool stuff, all these cool things, you know. I just feel like that's how you grow as a trader, right? Just showing up without any expectations. Even if you don't trade, you just show up, man. Show up, and see how it goes, right? So, yeah. I've been looking at BTC Canadian, man. I like, because I live in Canada, and I see, man, like if I short this, it'd be easy call. Easy call, easy call. But we might get some retracement, so I'm just waiting for the setup. Yeah. And see, this is where you could start taking profits, right? Because even if you got in here, Like I know a lot of you guys would just get in on the break, right? Even if you got in here, that's 188 pips, right? But why is it reacting from here? Because we had a break from here, right? Just like that. Boom. So if I was to look on the H4, the H4 is clearly showing us signs of exhaustion of bulls, right? And we want to see a little bit more downside. So Euro Aussie, man. Truthfully, I would like to go long on this pair. Right, so we had a low set in the market. Wait. I'm just gonna use my lines. Low set in the market, high set in the market. Price gave us that bullish indication, retracement, and could this be the buy setup for us? I believe so, man. This could be a nice buy setup, man. Look at that. Price also gave us that indication, retracement, continue, right? And one thing I like about Euro AUD is that it trends, man. The shit trends. So you can see here, right? All that. Cool, man. Cool. So dollar just booked it, was already past my target. Yeah, bro. Look. There are times where you're gonna feel like, oh shit, I could have held it longer. I could have done this, right? But you're good, man. Right? As long as you book in consistency, right? Like look at this, right? Even if you put your stop loss above here, that's a big stop loss, by the way. You know what I'm saying? You're already at like, if I was to target this low, you're already at 1 to 4. That's 4% on your account. What is that? 4 grand? Or like, it depends on your account size. Like that'd be 10K, man. That'd be 10K on like a $250,000. Depends on what size you're trading, right? So, yeah. So with GJ, I actually wanted GJ to kind of give us this sweep, because when price wants to dump, like make a sell-off, I want price to sweep these highs first. Like let's say there's a real reversal, right? A real reversal would do something like this, right? This though, this is just a break and retest, right? Essentially break, retest, short. So we have to see if they respect this area, these lows, right? If they respect these lows, then I would definitely wait for more confirmation. But if not, take a short, right? But yeah, and I know why this happened, right? It's quite obvious. Highs, hit them, sell off. Yep. All right. So, any more questions, man? Any new things that you guys want to look at? Any comments? What's up, guys? What's up? I want to see something. BTC cat. Okay, I think I'm gonna short this. I'm gonna take this sell soon. Like literally, as you see here, it could fill this wick, right? But they're just messing around in this area. As you guys know, I'm not too keen on it at the moment because we could see the zone, right, being respected. So whenever this happens, we could possibly see a reaction almost every time, and then, right? So I want to just see if they break this low, then I would try to sell. But yeah, that's that, guys. Anything that you guys want to talk about, anything that you guys want to look at, let's talk about it, man. Let's talk about it. So I had this conversation with one of my students. Okay, I think this would be good content right here. Great message. I had a live session with one of my mentees. Yeah, he's based in the UK. He's telling me that one of his friends or coworkers, his colleague, he refuses to learn and get educated on trading. Right? He's trading small accounts. Okay. Uh, he's over leveraging on the accounts, right? That certain individual to try to flip money, get rich, right? But then I thought about it. I'm like, I know what he's doing. I know why he's doing that. So my mentee's telling me is one of the reasons why he's doing that is he feels that okay, education is useless and that's going to hinder his success in the markets. And that is the time, man, that I I couldn't believe it, but I know there are some people out there that do that. So it was quite interesting seeing that, man. I was like, bro, this guy's saying that mentorship, education, learning is gonna hinder his success in the market. And to me, I'm like, yo, I haven't seen anybody more mad than that person. Like crazy. That's literally crazy to me. Do you guys think about this, right? It's like, bro, am I gonna give my car actually that's a little basic idea. How about this? Am I gonna give some random guy my plane to fly it if he doesn't know how to fly? He has no idea how to operate a like airplane, you know? That's crazy because it's literally comes back to the same principle, right? You got to know how to run those engines. You got to know how to steer the plane. You got to know how to land. You got to know how to accommodate, passengers. You got to know how to just keep your energy levels up, or just so many different things that come to it, right? It's more than just the technicals, even with trading. It's like, how are you going to fuel your mind to trade properly? How are you going to be in the zone, so to speak, right? How are you going to be in the zone? So, long story short, my mentee sends me a video and he's trading counter trend. It's a bank holiday, and the man, basically the whole account was given to traders that do know what they're doing. They're patient, they have that edge. And yeah, that's all I can say about that story, man. What do you think? All right, I want some comments here. All right, what do you guys think that that's stopping the man from actually taking the step to become a profitable trader by learning? What do you think it is within his mind that's making him believe that, think that, and say that? I want some insight. Mark, I appreciate it, man. Thank you. You guys were you guys were there to witness the trades. I only took it took me 2 weeks to complete it, you know? And that's what it takes, man. Patience. Gotta distribute your wins. That's what I have to say. Gotta distribute your wins. But yeah. Mark, I learned a lot watching watching the journey. I appreciate it, man. Thank you for tuning in, bro. Look, if you think this is literally the start, this is just the beginning, man. We have some great content for you guys, man. Just so you guys can really grasp the market, just understand like some insights on how we're doing it on the regular. You know, how we're winning, how we're able to pass the challenges. Yeah, the fire. Thank you, coach. I think Taku's in the building. Taku. Yeah. So that's actually the mentee I have. One of my mentees, Taku. He told me this story, man, and I just thought it was interesting. I speak on it because I know a lot of you guys are struggling to grasp the market and see what it is that we're starting to, what it is that sets good traders, consistent traders from people that aren't really getting, just going in circles, right? So, yeah, uh, he's Taku's been with me for about a month, about 5 weeks now. Taku's been with me for 5 weeks, and he's already hitting take profits left, right, and center. You know, so man, appreciate you tuning in too, man. Uh, yeah. So as I said, right, BTC has this low. They're failing to follow through, and we're getting a nice little reaction, right? If I was to want to sell this, it would be after, okay, price does this and then something like that. Similar to gold, you know? Similar to gold. So GJ doing nice stuff. See that? Price hasn't reached there, but it just did. So would be interesting to see if we get something like that. We got the retest. We just got the retest on NASDAQ. So I'm going to wait 15 minutes and we will see if we can catch these shorts. But if they don't do that, I totally understand why, because we still have these levels here that are untapped, man. You know what I'm saying? This high. They did tap this a little bit, but they just skimmed it. You know what I'm saying? I want to see a little pierce. I want them to pierce it like a needle. So, yeah, and also look at the way this candle closed. This looks like a nice little... So this is another thing I like to say, right? Instead of assuming what the market will do, all you have to do is get on the higher time frames. That's it. Look at that. Same shit, different day. Break, retrace, continue. Break, retest, buy. Right? All right, guys. 1 second. I'll be back. I'll be back. All right. So we got that nice little retest. As I see, price is rejecting that level. And also pretty good stuff on Bitcoin too, as a nice reaction. Kind of a confluence with US30 as well. I would like to see some short-term sells down to these levels, at least here. All right, so let's see. Let's go. I'll put my stop above here. And ultimately, that's what I would like to see. Ultimately. All right. But I'm being cautious because we've been extremely bullish on US30, extremely bullish, and Nasdaq. So, I'm not taking this trade just yet. I want to wait for 10:30 for the 10 minutes to basically finish. Yeah, but I like it. I like it so far, though. I like the way it's looking. Let me see. Da, 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 da. Ah, what's it doing, man? There you go. Properties. Nah. New charts. Yes, I don't know why it's not really using. It's really weird. Trying to take a position. Not even on USDC yet. I just had it though. All right. Anyways. That's crazy, bro. Anyway, so my MT4 terminal is seeming to not want to take an order here. For some reason, I don't know. Try to clean it up, but hey. Got it. Okay, there we go. There we go, there we go. Sheesh. Okay. It's like the first time I've ever done this, but man, the trading Bitcoin live. Yeah, so no entry. I haven't taken this trade. Just because, man, I'm being cautious, you know. NASDAQ still hasn't reached this level. And on top of that, we are still 5 minutes out from my window. And secondly, thirdly, we've been extremely bullish on NASDAQ and US30 as of recently. We just had some dumps though. And this is last week's low, which I see that it's not really breaking. So just got to be careful, man, with every trade. Haven't taken the setup yet. I will wait and see what we get though. If it sweeps, that's great. That's great. What is going on, man? What is going on? Holy, I swear. Yo, what is this? I literally just had I literally just had my MT4 tripping out. I don't know why it's doing that, but I'm gonna be that's weird, man. That's weird. Okay. That's messed up, man. Literally. Anybody, wait. Anybody in the chat might know this. So I'm taking an order. I'm trying to take, just test it out, right? I'm trying to take an order on my MT4 and it's just coming out blank. Like, literally nothing. It's not giving me anything. I think I'm just going to restart it and add a new chart window. Yeah, I think that'd be a good idea. That'd be smart. That'd be smart. There we go. As I said it. But it's just weird, man. MT4 is getting old. Alright. BTC CAD. See what I'm saying, man? How to sweep. I'd like to see some metrics. All right. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Could we get a sell today? Or will this redistribute and go higher? That's the question. Because US30 clearly clearly wanted to take some dumps. But to me, this is also something possible, right? Price made an indication, price retracing. Could we see some nice longs today? Or will we go short? That's what we're waiting to confirm right now as we speak. In fact, I'm gonna fucking replace this, bro. CAD. Yep. BTC CAD. Oh no, it's choppy. CAD. Yeah. Cool. Right. So, what? Yeah. I just restarted it and it's seeming to work, so I think we're good. Yeah. Yep. I'm not convinced with these wicks. I want to see a hard close. That could just be the mitigator. The price goes. Break. Because US30 already made lows, but it's leaving too many wicks behind. Too many wicks, you know? And when price shows me wicks, I'm not convinced. That's another pro tip. When you see hard closes like this, those are good trades. You know? Hard closes. Even here, man. Price bumps. All right, so not really convinced on this, man. All right, so let's get into some comments, man. How will you enter? Break a structure? Yes, sir. That's it, man. If price just breaks this low and it fills this range, there's a lot of possibility to fill, but I'm not convinced though. I just don't like the way these are wicking. See what I mean? Too many wicks. Whenever that happens, I like to just see that as targets, you know. Yeah, because look at gold, right? Exactly. Like, so I was mentioning earlier in the stream that this breaker level where price broke structure out of, we're gonna have the retracement. Oops, right? All right, so the way it flipped, the way the market just flipped, it's good. So if you guys want to take this setup, you guys can get in, put your stop loss above here. All right, even if you just get in here, target these lows. Right? It's good. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Might as well take a small position on it. It's not the best setup, but it's still decent from what I see. Because think about this, right? You can take a scalp like this and make money, right? Nice little scalp. So we'll just see how the 5-minute closes right now and calculate our risk in the meantime. All right. Let's see what's the best price we can get. Let's wait for the best price. All right. So this to me though, look at the way this did it. US30 made a low, failed to break. It started to retrace a little bit, right? And it's rejecting these areas. I want to get the best price. The best price. Kiza Capital. Or should I say Khaza Capital. Yeah, man, it's going well, man. Thank you for tuning in. So, question, man. Yeah. So, tell me how is it going for you? I think I saw your video, one of them. Definitely, man. Put some. All right. So, I wanted to put something in the chat here for you guys because I just changed. Basically. I just changed some stuff. Hmm. All right, so that's my new contact. Basically, my links are there. You guys can check it out. Anything basically you want to look at, it's all there. Yep. I made a link tree. It's much more organized. You guys can just reach me easily there. I have some of my cool stuff there. Cool stuff. It's not giving me what I want though. I feel like Nasdaq is not giving me what I want on this, and it's possible that we flip bullish. It's possible. That's why I'm really just waiting, being as patient as possible. If they dump, easy call. Feel like this is a nice little section. Yeah, to these lows. We're definitely gonna get a reaction from somewhere here. So let's wait a bit and see. All right, so the 5 minutes are just about to close. Yeah. Yep. So gold seems to want to respect this low, and we're already getting that retracement back up. GU is good. Yeah, only 2 videos on YouTube. I don't really like to post on my YouTube right now. The reason is some of the reasons is I get a lot of, I don't know, man, messages saying, "Oh, you know, about the profits. Oh, why are you posting the profits and stuff? You should just give us content, free content, education and stuff." So yeah, I've been focused more on the education, man, rather than just posting profits and showing those things, right? To be honest, I just use that as a way to motivate, man. You know, that's literally it, you know, by posting my profits. I like to motivate with that. All right, it's not really clear. Yeah, the order flow is bearish, man, on Bitcoin as well. We're having some bullish momentum coming. Yeah, look at that. Would you look at that? Bears are coming. All right, guys. So I'm gonna take the setup. Put my stop above here. I just like the way it looks. But right now, though, I'm not liking it. I'm really not liking it, man, because this could go long. Just see what I mean? It's literally doing that. So, and I don't want to be buying off of just random levels here, right? Someone's at the door. So. All right. Be back on, man. Just had a few things. The weather's been getting better, so people come into the door a lot. You know, trying to sell stuff. uh, right. So you see how why I didn't say I'm gonna take this trade just yet, because look, it's way too wicky. You know what I'm saying? Wicks. To be honest, I think I'm gonna go long right now. Yeah, I think I want to go long, man. 500 to the 500 level. Even though it's a bit of risky, I still believe that we have some places to go. See the way it's reacting from this low. It's being very promiscuous, being weird right now, right? Yeah. So Mark, you just motivated me to actually drop more content on my YouTube. It's definitely been a long time coming since I posted. I think that was last year, just some of the profits, but I wanted to focus more on the education, and I will be dropping some more stuff on the channel. Perfect. Look at that. All right, so I think we have a position we could take. Wait, price breaks this high, right? Something like this. I'm gonna wait for a retest to go along. All right, I'm just gonna be patient in the meantime. As you guys can see, US30 is already making its way. So let's see, man. Let's wait and take this trade. Truthfully though, I feel like a lot of the new traders need to start to just be open to different ideas, straight up. Be open to the idea of, okay, we can change our mind, be flexible, be like water, be adaptive. All right. Uh, that's that. So the way this hasn't broken structure. This hasn't broken structure yet. It broke structure once here. So retrace and go long soon. So you see how gold just reacted after this level? If gold just retraced back to this break, we could definitely look for shorts. But the move happened at the start of the session. We weren't really prepared to take a position at the moment. Man, it's crazy. The last, I think, I don't know how many streams. Uh, Last 2 streams. We didn't take much positions, man. Yeah. I know a lot of y'all were like, bro, when are we gonna take trades live? Thank you for tuning in, man. We do this, so. All right, so this to me is not confirmed. Didn't break structure. Been quite bearish. And we're at a point where there's too much risk to the other side. Always be careful with your positions, right? Because essentially it's money. Essentially it's money that you have that you want to keep as long as possible. All right. So, yeah, look at that. This is ideally where I want to get in. The stop loss below. Ideally. Yeah, looking like the type. Man, this is testing our patience. For real. This is testing our patience. It's the best part about it, you know? Gold. Easy. Should I take this long, man? Should we take this long? Could we? Stop below there. Pump up. Maybe. I think I like this the most. So I'm going to stick with this. So Euro AUD, right? Yeah. This was a textbook setup. Price broke structure. We had a retracement, and then price broke structure, retrace, broke structure, retrace, broke structure, retraced. Yeah, this was the trade. If you were gonna buy your AUD, you would have taken this. You would have been up about 4% with the 18 pip stop, right? You want to get in on the retest of these levels, so be strict with it, right? Stop loss below. To keep it as tight as you can, right? Yeah. And then target previous highs, right? These would be your TPs. Nas, what you doing, Nas? What you doing? Yep. All right, guys. So this 5-minute candle closes, and we'll see if we can get our position today on this setup, you know. So yeah, let's go. All right, so with the all right, all right. Let's do this. Let's do this. Like it. Three minutes till the candle closes. We could get those trades, man. We could get those trades. All right, so as you guys can see, it's starting to move right now. Starting to move. I still want to see a deeper pullback, though. A little bit of a deeper pullback. If it doesn't, you just take the retest and we get a best price on that. US30 is doing similar stuff. It just broke structure, so if we see some like this, then we're in the game, baby. All right, so 2 minutes, 2 minutes. We missed out on some pips. We definitely missed out on like 48 pips, but hey, we're just gonna wait for a pullback. Ideally, a nice pullback on that trade. All right. And I've been looking at BTC because, yo, BTC is looking real nice, man. It's looking real nice. It could go short, real nice. So, you're on a US30 buy, 33.14. Cool, man. My mentee's eating on this. 31,144 or 14114. I think it's 144. Yeah. Failing to follow through. All right, so last minute to this hour. TP at 33,500. Yeah. Yeah, that's valid. There we go. There we go. Come on. I like to wait for the best deal. I'm a businessman, you know. I wait for the best deals only. So Bitcoin doing the same thing. BTC. Look at that. Crazy. All right. So look at the way the hourly closed. Beautiful. All right. I'm gonna take the setup. I'm gonna take the setup, man. I'm gonna take the setup. Let's go. Ah. There we go. Always adjusting my wrist, boys. Whenever I get the best price, that's when I want to take the trade. Yes, Otaku, you're probably in 100 pips profit, bro. You cut the low? Sheesh. You're a G. You're a G for that. Don't be so uptight. Yeah. Drop it to the floor. I'm saying this. Let me tell you music. Why say Alright, guys, I'm gonna take the trade, bro. I'm not having this meandering too much. The way US30 is going. Alright, guys, if you guys take that trade, cool, good on you. Just put your stop below the lows if you want to be safe with it. But I want to get the best risk to reward right now. I've come to a point in my career where I just want to get the best risk to rewards. I don't care about pips. Yeah, pips are cool. You can get a lot of pips, but if the RR is on point, that's the only thing that matters, man. Are you kidding me, man? اما خبر ما کردی یاری چتکار بنه کیگی اوپشی. Alright, guys, I took market execution. Alright, so would that be most logical?
Nu băghet în asta. Deci, pa je vazi še kanal, pa kasar mam te bom dati na
All right, guys, I think we're gonna wait for a slight pullback on the candle, and yeah, check the setup. I think this would be a safer stop though. Waiting for the best price. Waiting for the best price. All right, so you guys see what I'm doing there? I'm basically refining literally to the pip. Because once I see a little push, then a rejection, it's I'm in, you know. This is why, like, I'm trying to keep my stops super. See that risk to reward is getting bigger. So, okay. If it rejects, we in. But if it doesn't, no problem, man. But I feel like, man, I just feel like it's meandering way too much. It's literally taking too long. Like for me personally, it's taking too long. If it doesn't want to do that, then this could be the high of the day, right? Ah, sir. All right. You see what just happened? That's what I was looking for. We in, man. We're in. Take the setup, guys. Enter right now. Boom. All right, guys. I hope you guys entered. I took that trade just now. I took my entry right at the break. Uh, like planned, as planned. Like I was like, all right, price is gonna retrace, and we're gonna see a little spike and a rejection. That's what I just saw. So I ended up taking the little retest right there, and that's my first TP. That's my final TP. If this works out, cool, right? But always make sure your stop loss is intact. Use a stop loss every time, because in case if price wants to spike down, you're safe. You're safe. So yeah, that's that. 2 hours into the stream. Any questions, man? Any comments? Anything you guys want to talk about? Let's do this right now. And you know something? It's not about being right. It's about taking the chance and following the plan. And if it plays out, fine. If it doesn't, that's fine too. Right? But it's about really just honing in on that abundance mindset of gotta take the trade, man. You gotta take the trade. BTC CAD, doing exactly what I want, man. Doing exactly what I want. See that rejection coming. See some pumps. You see how the candle just flipped? Price high of the day, low of the day. Break. Retrace. Want to see that final continuation to the high. Right? Because essentially we're just reacting to what the market makers are giving us, the institutions, right? We can't as retail traders make the market for, right? It's created a certain way, and you gotta be like okay with losing or and be anticipating the winners, right? So hope you guys took the trade. I'm gonna get off the stream soon and send me screenshots, man. Send me screenshots of your profits. Or if you got like, don't try to get in late, but this is the entry and this is the stop. In fact, I'm gonna move my stop a little lower. I mean higher. So just getting that great risk to reward. Ooh, I love it. All right, guys. We're already in profit, about 30 pips. No, yeah, 25, 27 pips. And that's that, boys. Peace, love, abundance, opportunity, wealth, prosperity, growth mindset. It's the little vlog. Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir. Boom. Let's go. Good entry. Good trade. Good setup. What type of question is that? When did I grow my hair? You know me from the past or something? Hmm? I'm on to you. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoy the profits. Definitely give us a little shout. All right. So send your profits. Nah, I didn't take an entry on US30 because US30 already kind of left. I mean, you could have taken a trade here, stop below this low, but I just took NASDAQ right here. Really good stop loss. So you saw me really refining my entry and having that fixed stop. So yeah. You thought I was trading that? Oh boy. I know you didn't. You were just trying to be funny. I know you didn't, but you were just trying to be funny. Got you there. Gold, we can see that nice continuation low. So, all right. So let me also set some TPs for US30 in case you guys got in on US30. I'll just TP at 500. TP there. Right. My final TP, if you really want to be a G about it, I'd say take it up to 837. Right. These are some TPs you could take. All right. Let's go. First time seeing someone winning on Trading Nut. Hey, man, I appreciate it. It's just the proof's in the pudding, you know? Yeah. All right, so of course they're gonna do these rejections and stuff. But, yep. Even Bitcoin, man, I knew it, man. I knew it. Bitcoin was gonna do some shit like that. You know? We have this huge zone. Price taps in. So, and it fails to break the low. But it is a wick, so I'll be careful. Yeah. Everything's on my link tree. So you can check me out there. Let me see. Did I post my Instagram on my link tree? Yeah. You check me out on Linktree, man. Everything's there. The mentorships, the streams, the Telegram. And I know I saw somebody commented like, "Yo, there's only 2 videos on my YouTube channel." I'm posting that there because I'm gonna start to post more content for you guys. You know, I feel like I've been doing this for a while, and I wanna definitely give you guys more educational content. Right? I've been given a lot of profits, you know, screenshots, videos, and stuff just for motivation, but I definitely want to get you guys in on some more educational things, you know, so you guys can learn. and just some discussions, you know. I'll take it at this wick. So yeah, Pierre Fivet. Look, man, I'm Canadian, but I don't speak French. Pierre Fivet. My TP is at 33,400 for now. Yeah, yeah, that's cool. That's totally valid, bro. That's totally valid. Right? So early mornings, man, early mornings. All right, so gold is giving me the best. I swear, man. I was so patient with gold, but ended up not taking it. I only took some longs for a scalp, but easy shit. It's like that, right? So just in case you didn't know. And it failed to, price came up, failed to break, broke structure here, swept, dumped. All right, so yeah, US30 tends to do this, so it tends to just meander a little bit, but then right at the end, it does those really big trades, like those really, really big candles, right? All right, I think that's it. That's pretty much it. Any more questions, man? Any more comments? Any more things, man? Let's go. You need some motivation? For sure, bro. That's why I do these things, you know? Uh, I don't think it's about motivation, though. I'm going to motivate you to be disciplined, right? And just focus on quality. There's so many trades that happen today. But I just took NASDAQ, right? I'm okay with that. And I'm cool with that, you know? Yeah. So I hope you learned something. I hope you guys profited so far. Hey, I took a break broke fast. This is the first time I'm gonna finish 6 days fasting after Ramadan. One more day to go. Sazy. Yo, congrats, man. Congrats, man. That's good stuff. Ramadan is definitely one of those times of the year. It's just a blessing to really know that, you know, it's going to change your life physically, mentally, spiritually, physically, financially, all those things, man. It will definitely change your life. It's going to help you in many, many places in your life. Clearer thoughts, less desire, more relaxed, more energy. Yeah, those are some of the benefits, man. Uh, it would be nice to see this, you know what I'm saying? If price wants to sell, if price wants to realistically sell, it would have sold already, man, in my opinion. Realistically. You know what I mean? Uh, yeah. It left a lot of wicks up here, so I want them to sweep the wicks, as you guys can see. It broke structure, we got a retracement again. And yeah. All right, so any more questions, any more comments, anything before I shut it off for the week? We finish the stream. How does this link tree work? Here, man. Let me actually give you. Hourly still bearish for the indices in my eyes. Let me see. Okay, so I'll tell you why I took this trade, right? So price reached this level, we got a good reaction, and price broke structure at this level, okay? This is last week's low, and it's failing to break the low. We have the market making these highs here, wicking it, you know, getting those retracement dumps. But think about this, right? Price retrace. That's the whole mindset behind this trade. You know, yeah. So it's your opinion. That's fine. You know, this is just more confluence. This big wick. See, as you see how price is just moving now. So, yeah. That's literally my mindset behind this trade. If it plays out, it plays out. If it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out. Right? That's why we use risk management and our stops are in place. All right. Yeah, so I'm gonna give you my link tree. Wait. Can you redraw your prediction for gold? Wait, let me just do this first. I'm gonna do this first. So go to Linktree. And just write. That's it. Yeah. Just put my at. And also, you see how this hourly candle closed solid? It's not a wick. This is a solid candle. It's giving me more reasons to buy. Right? So, yeah, that's that. Okay, the gold trade. Wait. Okay, so here's my thoughts on gold. Let me just break it down all the way from the weekly. All right, so gold came to this level, rejected it once, rejected it twice, and it's coming again. So we're in that area right now. On the daily time frame, we had price sweep this high, right? And every time that type of indication happens, I want to see a retracement. So this was the low. But at the same time, price broke structure here. So this right here would be the retracement for a better price, right? This is a high. This was the break of structure. Price rejected it, broke structure again, retraced again, and now it's making its way. All right, so I know it's a lot of lines. Let me just change it up to make it more clear to you. Yeah. Okay. High, low, break of structure, came in, rejected it, broke structure here, retraced, sell off. Okay? Does that make sense, Emily? And CZ, I hope that made sense. The US30 analysis, right? As you see, man, it's literally just making its way, and I see these as take profits. All right. Ultimately, this would be my TP, like if I was to swing this shit, but I don't like to swing too much. All right, so yeah. All right, guys. So thank you guys for tuning in. I just put my link tree inside on the stream right there. We're running in profits for about we're in profit about 32 pips right now. But if you took US30, like that's a whole different story. That's a lot more profit, right? If you're in from here, 130. If you're in from here, 50, 44. Yeah, this would be my TP level, my first TP, this wick right here. My first TP. Okay. All right, Pierre, yeah, that's it. So anyways, man, I hope you guys had an amazing day. I know we just had a great session together. If you guys are more interested in some of that, you guys can contact me. We do this on the regular. And yeah, make sure you start taking profits though, you know. Make sure you take profits. Because at the end of the day, I don't make the market, you know, at all times. Have a stop loss. No, you could be wrong. So anyways, beautiful, beautiful day, man. Thank you everyone for tuning in. I'm about to sign out of the stream, and I see you guys next time around. And another reminder, take your time with the journey. Enjoy the weather. Weather's getting better depending on where you at. And yeah, peace, love, abundance. Have a good one.